Welcome to our video introducing paint spraying technologies from Taishun Vietnam Limited Liability Company. In this video, we'll explore the most advanced technologies in the field of paint spraying, helping you better understand modern methods and equipment. Paint spraying is a popular way to achieve an even and beautiful finish on many surfaces, from cars to furniture and houses. This technology not only saves time but also ensures a smooth and durable paint layer. In this video, we'll learn about the four most common types of paint spraying: air spray, airless, air mix, and air coat. Each technology has its own characteristics and applications suitable for specific needs. In addition to these four technologies, there are electrostatic powder coating and electrostatic liquid coating, which we will introduce in another video. Each type has its own advantages depending on the application. We will compare these methods to give you an overview and make it easier to choose the most suitable method for your work. Understanding each type will help you choose the right method, ensuring work efficiency. We will provide detailed instructions and tips so you can apply them in practice. Now let's take a closer look at each type, comparing the advantages and disadvantages so you can easily choose. Let's start with air spray technology, followed by airless, air mix, and finally air coat. Each section will have practical examples and detailed analysis for you to grasp clearly. Air mix and air coat are essentially the same. Air coat is the name used by Wagner, while air mix is the name used by Kremen. First is air spray, also known as compressed air spraying. This is a painting technology that has been widely used for many years. This type uses an air compressor to push the paint out of the spray gun in the form of a mist. This process helps the paint to be evenly and smoothly distributed on the surface to be painted. The handheld gun has one line for paint and one line for air supply. The advantage of air spray is good control over the amount of paint and spray pressure, resulting in a thin, smooth, and even paint layer. This is very important in creating a high-quality finish. Air spray can be used for a variety of paints, from water-based to oil-based paints, and is widely used from car painting to furniture painting. This makes air spray a versatile and useful tool in many different industries. However, air spray also has disadvantages. One of the main problems is paint waste. Because it uses strong compressed air, air spray often wastes paint due to overspray. This not only increases costs but also harms the environment. In addition, air spray painting is not fast, not suitable for projects that need to be done quickly. This can be a major limitation for projects requiring fast progress. Maintaining and cleaning air spray equipment also takes time and effort. To ensure optimal performance, users need to regularly inspect and clean the machine parts. Finally, safety is a factor that cannot be ignored when using air spray. Users need to wear protective gear and work in a controlled environment to avoid inhaling paint fumes and harmful chemicals. Despite some limitations, air spray remains an effective and popular painting technology in many industries. From automotive, wood, to construction projects, air spray brings flexibility and high quality to painted surfaces. Next is airless, also known as airless spraying. It is also called vacuum spraying or high-pressure spraying. Airless uses a high-pressure pump to push paint out of the spray gun without the need for compressed air. As Taishun compares it, it's like a pesticide sprayer. The handheld airless gun only has one line for paint into the gun, no air line. The advantage of airless is that it sprays paint very quickly with a large amount of paint, suitable for large projects that need to be completed quickly. Compared to air spray, airless wastes less paint. However, airless also has disadvantages. Because it does not use compressed air, the sprayed paint layer is often thicker and more difficult to control the smoothness. Airless is also not suitable for small details, corners, or surfaces that require a thin coat of paint. Now let's learn about air mix technology. Air mix, or air-assisted spraying, combines the advantages of both airless and air spray technologies. Air mix is the name given by Sames Kremlin. The air mix gun uses both high pressure and an air line for assistance. That is, there are two lines into the handheld spray gun. This method ensures a beautiful paint layer and higher paint transfer efficiency. Air mix is widely used in industries that require a smooth, high-quality paint finish, such as automotive and furniture manufacturing, so if you need accuracy and efficiency, air mix might be the right choice. Next is Aircoat technology. Aircoat, similar to air mix, uses air-assisted spraying but focuses on coating. Aircoat is named by Wagner. According to Taishun's subjective observation of the equipment and based on how it works, Aircoat has the same technology as air mix. The difference in name is due to their trademark registration. Other brands call it air-assisted or air-assisted gun, which is also this technology. The air has the effect of supporting, not tearing the paint like air spray, which uses air to tear. This technology offers excellent atomization and control, ideal for applying thicker coats and achieving even coverage. Aircoat is especially useful in industries such as construction and heavy machinery, where durability and protection are key. So for a robust and reliable coating, Aircoat is a standout choice. Finally, let's compare and choose the right technology for your needs. Choosing the right paint spraying technology not only affects the surface quality, but also impacts the efficiency and cost of the project. When deciding between air spray, airless, air mix, and Aircoat, consider the type of paint finish you need and the specific application. Each technology has its own strengths, suitable for different types of work. Air spray is suitable for applications on products that require a thin and smooth paint layer, often using thin paint in a spray booth. It has a low investment cost. Airless is suitable for products that require spraying steel structures, walls, ships, tiles, and objects that need a thick paint coating, using high-density paint. Aircoat and Air Mix are suitable for products that need to save paint and customers who are willing to invest a large amount of money. Aircoat and Air Mix are the latest technologies available today, so parts and machines are not as easy to buy as air spray and airless. Assess your project needs and choose the technology that best suits your goals. Don't forget to consider factors such as cost, time, and technical requirements of each technology. Remember, the right choice can significantly impact the quality and efficiency of your work. A smart decision will help you achieve the best results, save time and costs, and enhance the quality of the final product. If you are still unsure which type to choose, please contact Mr. Quiet from Taishun at www.sungfunsen.com or info@taishun.vn for assistance.